see them, how the officers are commanding them wrongly, how officers are doing the dismissing them unlawfully. You cannot talk because of say you are looking for Minister of Defense. Don't you see? The politicians have hijacked the army. The politicians have hijacked the army. Then the army have hijacked the human rights lawyer. Una don't silent Brekete family. Una don't silent them. Make it not the answer for any soldier when bring complaint to their table. Don't you see that you people are devil? If you be say those soldiers they lie when they lay complaint about una, they lie. Why una go come go they block those one? Why una go come go they block those one? Say why then they answer put for soldier when they don't dismiss unlawfully? Why some officer they retire on voluntary, they will go read law, they go hide under on a carpet so that they go they defend una. Officer they retire voluntarily, come they hide under una, come they use the lawyer to suppress the other rank. This same other rank, now they do the work. This same other rank, now they feed una. Without other rank, there is no officer. Without other rank, officer don't have the capacity and the confidence to sign a raffle and go for war front. But why are you people betraying them? Why are you people treating them? I call upon the Nigeria. I know say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I know they rule your government, put for your hand. Everything when they say, talk, they write them. You before you come talk, and not be you the right time. And I feel your pain. That's why I don't want to talk about you, because I read and I investigate, because the Nigeria don't know where the problems are coming from. That is why they want to get me arrested so that they will buy me. I know what you people know. They know that I know what they know. Then you come, they ask questions. See, Musa, what did they do me? They do me a lot of things. Things that people don't want to talk. Things that people don't, they are afraid to talk. I'm here to say it. Come and buy me. I did. CJ Musa, you are a devil. You are a rebellion to Nigeria. You are a rebellion to soldiers. Soldiers say you be a good officer, not knowing that you are a wicked officer. I am so disappointed at you. For you to pronounce the